ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 74 श्लोका 3। तासामाकलयन् अपाङ्गवलनैः मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु जनेषु तत्र रजकं कञ्चित् पठिं प्रार्थयन् कस्ते दास्यति राजकीयवसनं याहीति तेनोदितः सद्यः तस्य करेण शीर्षमहृताः सोऽप्याप पुण्यां गतिम्। Word by word meaning. Tasam, to them, the women. Apangavalanaihi, by sidelong glances. Modam akalayan, causing delight. Janeshu, when the people. Praharshadbhuta vyaloleshu, were immersed in happiness and wonder. Tatra, there. Kanchit, rajakam, a washerman. Patim, for a cloth. Prarthayan, thou asking. Rajakiya vasanam, the king's robes. Kaha te dasyati, who will give you? Yahi, go away. Iti, thus. Tena uditaha, being told by him. Sadyaha, at once. Tasya shirsham, his head. Karena, with thy hand. Ahrutaha, thou didst cut off. Saha api, and he. Punyam gatim, salvation. Apa, attained. Full meaning. Thou didst cause delight to the women by thy sidelong glances. When all the people were immersed in happiness and wonder, thou didst ask a washerman who happened to be there for some clothes, and on his replying, who will give you the king's clothes? Go away. Thou didst at once cut off his head with thy hand, whereby he attained salvation. Om Tat Sat.